feels like it's worlds apart. Weaver, spinning through the night, in the shadows, out of sight. Though I've played 1,000 times, the proceed's just a distant light. Creep waves and towers fall as the matches come and go. Every victory sweet, but still there's something more to show. The years have flown on by, rich Gucci on the mind, but the stage of pro glory is a dream I cannot find. Weaver, spinning through the night, in the shadows, out of sight. Though I've played 1,000 times, the proceed's just a distant light. Handmade, attack and swarm, my skills refined and sharp, but breaking through that ceiling is a journey through the dark. I'll keep on pushing forward in this game I hold so dear, even if the proceed never sees me near. Weaver, spinning through the night, in the shadows, out of sight. Though I've played 1,000 times, the proceed's just a distant light. In the land of Dota, I will keep on playing strong. With Weaver by my side, I'll keep the game alive and long. For the love of every match and the thrill of every fight. Even if I'm not a pro, I'll play with all my might. In the land of Dota, I will keep on playing strong. With Weaver by my side, I'll keep the game alive and long. For the love of every match and the thrill of every fight. Even if I'm not a pro, I'll play with all my might. In the land of Dota, I will keep on playing strong. With Weaver by my side, I'll keep the game alive and long. For the love of every match and the thrill of every fight. Even if I'm not a pro, I'll play with all my might.